Hello and welcome to our final maths fluency video of the term. Today we're going to be going back and looking at the 10 frame representation and thinking about how that can help us to learn our number facts. And the number facts we're going to be looking at today are the add 9 number facts. So let's take a look. So today we're thinking back to our 10 frames and we're thinking about add 9 facts. And I'm going to show you a way that you can do an add 9 fact really quickly in your head today. And hopefully that will help you to get to the point where you know your add 9 facts really, really well. So we're going to start with an example. So we're adding 9 and we're going to start with 7 add 9. Now you can see here I've represented it on a 10 frame. Going to 9 at the top, just one space left until 10, and then I've got 7 along the bottom. Now watch what happens, and we're going to be doing lots of magic finger today and moving the counters. And you'll see how we can do that to help us really make these add 9 facts much more simple. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take one counter from my 7 and move it up so that I make 10. So now I've got 10 and 6. My 7 add 9 fact has become a lot more straightforward. I've got the same amount altogether, but now I'm doing 10 add 6, and that's much more straightforward to do. 10 and 6 is 16. So 7 add 9 is the same as 10 and 6. So you can see what we've done is we've taken one from the 7, added it to the 9 to make 10. So all I really need to remember is that this number is getting one less, this number is getting one more, and that makes my addition sum into a sum that's adding 10, and that's easy. So 6 add 10 is 16. And this will work for all your add 9 facts. So let's take a look. Here's how this is going to work. I'll put the add 9 fact up like this. You'll get your magic finger ready, move that counter, and then we'll practice saying the fact. So 2 add 9. Get your magic finger ready. Let's make it into 10 and 1. 2 add 9 is the same as 10 add 1, so that equals 11. So say it with me. We're going to say 2 add 9 equals 11. 2 add 9 equals 11. Fantastic. Let's do the next one. 1 add 9. So get your finger ready. We're going to move that one. Ooh, there we go. All the way up. And now we've got 10 add 0. So 1 and 9 is the same as 10 and 0, which obviously is just the same as 10. So 1 add 9 equals 10. Let's have a look at the next one. This one is 5 add 9. Let's get our magic finger ready and move that final counter. There we go, I've made 10 and 4. So 5 add 9 is the same as 10 and 4, and that equals 14. So 5 add 9 equals 14. Let's do 8 add 9. Move that magic finger. There we go. And it becomes the same as 10 and 7. So 8 add 9 is the same as 7 and 10, which is the same as 17. So 8 add 9 equals 17. Okay, now you might know this one as a doubles fact because it's double 9, but here's another way you can think about it. Get your magic finger ready. There we go. And 9 add 9 becomes 10 add 8, and that equals 18. So 9 add 9 equals 18. Next one, 9 add 4. Think about in your head, what's it going to become? 9 add 4. Can you imagine it before we do it? Can you imagine what 9 add 4 is going to become? Yeah, it's going to become 10 and 3, isn't it? So let's move it with our magic fingers. There we go. We've made 10 and 3, and that equals 13. There you go. So 4 add 9 equals 13. Next one, 9 add 3. Again, can you imagine what it's going to become in your head first? Yes, it's going to become 10 and 2. So 3 add 9 is the same as 2 add 10, which equals 12. So 3 add 9 equals 12. Next one, 9 add 6. Think about in your head what it's going to become when we move that counter. That's right, it's going to become 10 and 5. So 6 add 9 is the same as 5 add 10, which is the same as 15. So 6 add 9 equals 15. And 10 add 9. Now let's have a think about this one. Do we need to move anything? Well, we've already got an addition where we're adding 10. 10 add 9. So this is very straightforward. We just need to add 10 and 9, and we know that that's going to be 1 10 and 9 ones makes 19. So 10 add 9 equals 19. Okay, and that's all of the add 9 facts. Quite straightforward, isn't it? So all you need to remember is that if you take 1 from your smaller number and give it to your 9, then you have the same amount overall, but you've turned your addition into an add 10. So to finish things off and to practice that, what I'd like you to do is have a look at the add 9 facts on the screen. I want you to first in your brain change them into add 10 facts. So if we started at 7 add 9, we would change it into 10 add 6. And then I want you to say your answer, which is 16. When you've done that, you can go through all of them and see if you can just do them straight away. See if you can just say 7 add 9 equals 16, and you know it straight away. And keep practicing till you get to the point where these add 9 facts are really, really quick and you know them straight away. So have a go at that now. Click pause here and click play when you've finished practicing. Well, that's it. That's our final maths fluency video done. But just because we finished our videos doesn't mean that you have to stop practicing maths fluency if you don't want to. You can obviously come back and watch our videos again, but maths fluency is something that we use in everyday life. It's really good to keep our maths skills sharp. So maybe you're at the park and you want to count quickly how many children there are, so you decide to count in 2s, 5s, or even 10s if there's a lot of people. Or maybe you're at the shop and you're buying something and you want to see how quickly you can add up all of the different items. Those sorts of things are really good for just helping your brain stay sharp with all your math skills and keep practicing those number facts. But make sure you have a fantastic rest over the holidays. Rest, recharge, and have fun so you're ready to come back in September. That's it for now. I'll see you again in September.